Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and as you can see, I grabbed out my A2 size sketchbook because Josh Duncan commissioned me once again with a banger. I think this is commission number 12 for Josh, so he is a big supporter, which I really appreciate. And this is probably the most different commission I got so far. Josh wanted me to draw his original Saiyan, which I created for him a few years ago, sitting on a throne, just like in this image of Vegeta, which was probably created by an artist, so if you know the artist, let me know. And he also wanted Frieza to be in the back, just like that, beaten up and chained, which is an amazing idea. And next to his original Saiyan, which I will draw as a Super Saiyan God, he wanted Captain Marvel and Wonder Woman, also sitting on thrones, in these particular positions. So Josh really knew what he wanted this time, and to draw all of that just like that on an A2 size paper in portrait mode was so much work, guys. Drawings like this are really special, and I'm sure if these wasn't commissions I would never draw something like this. Big, different and difficult drawings are great to work on your skills and to push yourself to become a better artist. And guys, if you are also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram. Now let's enjoy this video together, and I will talk to you in the end. Guys, last touch, and then this amazing and huge custom drawing for Josh Duncan is done. Man, this was so tough, and I'm so happy that I finally finished it. Not because I didn't enjoy drawing it, but if you are working so many hours and days on one project, it gets tiring. I use so many different markers and color tones, it's crazy. Even choosing the right color tones for the entire drawing only took so much time. But if you draw big drawings often, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways guys, I'm still very happy with the final result. I really love how the original Saiyan looks. The colors are perfect, so are the proportions and the shading. Frieza looks also amazing, and the idea of him being chained and beaten up is awesome. Let me know what you think of Captain Marvel and Wonder Woman in the comments guys. I think they look pretty good, considering that I'm not often drawing female characters. Thanks again to Josh for this big order, and if you guys are also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram. Check the info box for all the links to all my channels and accounts, and right here you can see some of my other custom drawings I have done, and I see you on the next